Welcome to Home Cooking with Somjit. Today I'm going to cook a very simple dinner just for 3 people. Deep fried fish with peanut sweet sauce. It's very quick and simple. Preparation time and cooking time altogether is about 20 minutes. So the fish I'm using black pomfret is weighed about 700 grams. And these are the ingredients for the sauce. So I'm using 4 tablespoons of tamarind water, concentrated tamarind water, 3 tablespoons of chopped cilantro, 7 pieces of bird eye chili, mixture of red and green. And for this type of chili, they are not very spicy, so I'm putting 7. So if you want to put more or less, it's okay. And I have some cilantro roots, 2 cloves of garlic, 3 tablespoons of paste sugar. If you do not have paste sugar, you can use normal sugar, it's okay. 1 tablespoon of fish sauce, 2 tablespoons of roasted groundnut, and salt. So we're going to start off by marinating the fish, and then we can go and fry the fish first while waiting for the fish to cook, and then we can make the sauce. Marinating the fish, I'm just using salt only. And this fish I have already washed with salt actually, just to remove some fishiness from the fish. If we deep fry it, very crispy, and it is very nice to eat with the sweet sauce. Okay, and then we can go and fry it. Here I have preheated oil. The oil is pretty hot, and I'm going to put in the fish. Once putting in the fish, you cannot touch it. We're going to wait until the fish is cooked and crispy, then we can kind of like move it around, or else it's going to get stuck into the pan. So I'm going to just cover it with the netting, and now we can go and prepare the sauce. For the groundnut, right, we need to crush it. So I'm going to put them in the plastic bag and put it in my powder. Just slightly crush it. That's it. I'm going to pour it back into the bowl. Put it aside. Now for these 3 ingredients, we're going to pound them together. Alright, just like that, no need to pound too fine. I'm going to leave it in the pounder, and then we can go and prepare the other ingredients. In the small pot, I'm going to mix tamarind water, fish sauce, and paste sugar. I'm just going to put in a little bit water on the heat, and then cook it in the medium heat just to stir them together until the paste sugar melted. I'm going to continue to stir here until we bring it to boil, and then lower the heat and continue to cook it for about 1 or 2 minutes. To be okay now, I'm going to switch off the heat, and we're going to pour it into the bowl and just let it cool down a bit before we mix with another fresh ingredients. See if the fish can move now. Oh, if it can move like this, meaning that it is okay, so it doesn't get stuck in the pan. So I'm going to turn it to the other side. Again, we're going to leave it until it's cooked and crispy. So this is just the sauce gravy that we prepared just now. I'm going to put it in the bowl. Put in the chili that we found just now. And put in the peanut. Oh, the peanut. Cilantro. I can go ahead and put some more of the cilantro. that is ready, the sweet sauce to eat with the deep fried fish. Let me taste it now. Wow, it's nice. Enough sweet, enough salty, enough sour, slightly spicy, and a very nutty taste of the groundnut, plus a nice aroma from cilantro leaf. Very nice, perfect. So I'm just going to put the balance of this cilantro leaves on top, just like that, and then we are done for the sauce. Just wait for the fish. Okay, the fish is done. So now you can take it out. Look at that fish, it's very crispy. So I'm gonna just take the fish. Top it with the sauce. Wow, so good. Crispy fried fish really go very well with the sauce. Lovely. I give it a thumbs up. Thank you for watching. If you like this video, please share with your friends. And remember to subscribe for more of my easy cooking video like this. Thank you and bye bye.